Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can build in Bloxburg. So select the house icon and go to build mode, and here you can kind of adjust the time here, like delete the roof and then just go to like build, and then here you can build walls and like a roof, for instance. You can also do the manual placement here. You just right click that like that. I'm just going to undo that though. To color stuff in, you can just use this. To duplicate, use this, and to delete, use this. And you can also select decorate to add in like items, for instance like tables here. If you want to add like a coffee table, and then to rotate just press R. And that is how you can build in Bloxburg. I'll do a more in-depth tutorial, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.